हेलो एवरीवन। आज सीटेट का पेपर सभी का अच्छा हुआ होगा क्योंकि काफ़ी दिनों के बाद ये पेपर हुआ है आफ्टर अ पेंडेमिक। जो कोरोना वायरस के वजह से ये टल गया था पेपर, और 31 जनवरी 2021 में जो हो पाया है, और होपफुली सभी का अच्छा हुआ होगा। तो ये पेपर 1 है सॉल्व आपके लिए, चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट एंड पेडागॉगी। विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट दी क्वेश्चन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बिलीव इज गुड फॉर लर्निंग। तो लर्निंग के लिए सबसे अच्छा क्या है? एबिलिटी इज इम्प्रूवेबल। Second is conceptual understanding among students is likely to improve in the setting which emphasize on inquiry and dialogue. It is difficult for children to learn when information is presented in disconnected chunks. Fourth one, best state of learning is moderate arousal, no fear. Constructive view of learning suggests that children dash construct of their own knowledge play an important role in. Sixth question. During a task, Saina is talking to herself about what she can proceed on the task. According to Vygotsky, idea on language and thought, this kind of private speech is a sign of self-regulation. Seventh question. Evaluation practice should aim at identifying student needs and requirement. Eighth question. Individual difference in development of children can be attributed to interplay of hereditary and environment. Now next question is, after getting hurt during a play activity, Rohan started crying. Seeing this, his father responded, "Don't behave like girls. Boy, don't cry." This statement by the father reflects gender stereotype. In a progressive classroom, इसमें है आपका ample opportunity should be provided for construction of knowledge. Next question. After observing that students are struggling to proceed further on an ongoing activity, a teacher decided to provide clues and hints in form of what, why, how. According to Leo Vygotsky theory, this strategy of teacher will be act as a scaffolding for learning. Next question. Which of the following is correct in the context of socialization of children? School is a secondary socialization agent and family is a primary socialization agent. Theory of multiple intelligence. There are several forms of intelligence. According to Lawrence Kohlberg theory, performing an act and doing something because other approves it represent dash stage of morality. This is conventional. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct in context of development? Development is multi-dimensional. Lev Vygotsky's social culture perspective of learning emphasizes importance of dash in the learning process. Cultural tool. In this theory of cognitive development, Jean Piaget explained cognitive structure in terms of schemas. Pre-operational stage in Jean Piaget theory of cognitive development characterized the centration in thought. इसमें थर्ड आपका सही होगा. According to Right of Person with Disabilities Act 2016, which of the following term is appropriate to use? Student with physical disabilities. 20th question is, sequence of development among children from birth to adolescence is sensory, concrete, abstract. 21st question, individual differences in a progressive classroom should be treated as important for planning of teaching learning process. Important for planning of teaching learning process. In an inclusive classroom, emphasis should be on इंक्लूसिव क्लासरूम में क्या एम्फेसाइज होना चाहिए? शुड प्रोवाइड अपॉर्चुनिटी एमिंग एट मैक्सिमाइजिंग पोटेंशियल ऑफ इंडिविजुअल चिल्ड्रन। 23rd क्वेश्चन है आपका, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एबिलिटी कैन बी फैसिलिटेटेड बाय encouraging use of analogies. In order to address the need of students who are facing learning difficulties, a teacher should not practice rigid structure for pedagogy and assessment. Dash is the primary identifying feature of creativity, divergent thinking. In order to address learner from diverse background, a teacher should draw example from diverse setting. 27th क्वेश्चन है आपका, a teacher should analyze the various errors made by student on a given task because understanding of errors are meaningful in the teaching learning process. Motivation to learn can be sustained by focusing on mastery oriented goal. Shame can be negative impact on cognition. शर्मिंदा से जानते भी है कि थोड़ा निगेटिव थॉट आ जाता है, तो ये क्वेश्चन आपका थर्ड होगा। लास्ट क्वेश्चन है चाइल्ड पेडागॉजी का, चिल्ड्रन डेवलपमेंट एंड पेडागॉजी। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज मोस्ट इफेक्टिव मोड ऑफ टीचिंग लर्निंग? तो इसमें लास्ट है आपका एक्सप्लोरेशन ऑफ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन कॉन्सेप्ट। तो गैस ये था आपका चाइल्ड पेडागॉजी का पेपर 1 का सॉल्व। हम जल्दी आपको पूरा सॉल्व दे देंगे। थैंक यू।